How to master helicopter flying skills in Gunship Battle. First of all, get familiar with the helicopter controls. Learn what each button and joystick does so you can fly smoothly. Spend some time practicing in training mode to get used to how the helicopter responds. Next, focus on keeping the helicopter stable while turning or hovering. Smooth movements are very important. Don't make sudden jerks because that can make you lose control or crash. After that, practice using your weapons while flying. Always keep your helicopter in a safe position and aim carefully. Take out the most dangerous enemies first and don't be afraid to move back if the fight gets too hard. Another key tip is to practice landing and taking off. Many missions fail because of bad landings. Approach the landing spot slowly, keep your helicopter balanced and avoid obstacles. Finally, try different helicopters. Each one handles differently with different speed and firepower. Learning several types will make you a stronger pilot in any mission. Now you know how to master helicopter flying skills in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.